Where is the car?
I sold it.
Yeah. And what about the money?
Mama, the buyer said I should come and collect this money. But Andy has refused to open the gates for me. I don't know what to do.
Okay. Go and dress up. We're going to meet him.
Are you sure?
Now, I'm very sure. Go and dress up.
Jesus. Baby, why you did do like it is? You won't spoil our love. You say you won't go. I swear I know understand you.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay.
And where do you think you're going? Huh? Where do you think you're going?
And don't start.
Where's my car?
Am I not a prisoner in my own house? I can't go out anymore.
You're not leaving here until you give me my car.
You better not come close to me.
You think I'm... Come.
Andy, don't try me.
Don't let me lose this stuff for
Andy,
you.
don't try me.
Brenda, don't let me lose...
Leave me alone. Don't touch me. I'm warning you. Don't touch me again. What? Shoot. Mama, let's go.
Baby, why you did like it is? You won't spoil our love. You say you won't go. I swear I know understand you. You did do me like a feel. Make me the love they go. I beg, baby, why not?
Wait. Where is the bandage?
Hey, Mama, you the one asking this question. He did not touch me. I just did that thing to shock him.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Hi! I am not surprised. You're really my daughter.
Mama, a lion does not give birth to a cockroach.
Wham!
Like mother, like daughter. Where's my Let me call this cabman to pick us up from here.
Andy, what happened? Brenda!
I'm looking for Mr. Ken, the tall dark man.
That man that was too the other day.
You're very correct, yes. Where can I find him?
I'll stay here. Hope he didn't give you anything.
I gave him my car to sell. He actually asked me to come back today to collect the money.
Madam, now wash you.
What do you mean I wash? Is he a dry cleaner?
He has run away with your car. Hope there's no problem.
Move!
Madam, are you okay?
this to you?
Brenda, the mother was here when she did it to me.
Sorry. You're all cleaned up now. You should go upstairs and lie down a little.
My head is pounding.
Take it easy. You need to rest.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
God bless you.
Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Eh, I swear I no understand, oh. You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now? Why you wanna leave me now? Answer my question, oh. Why you? Now I need you pass, oh. Why?
I'm scared. I feel like running away.
You will not run away. Come, let's go inside. I will handle it.
Oh, Mama, it's better we go back to the village. Please.
But you will still come there with the police. Listen, calm down. I have told you that I will handle it.
Mama, Ini Edo, handle it. This man has a gun. I know what I'm saying. He has a gun.
Let's go inside. Trust me.
Okay. You go inside. I'm pressed. I'll go through the back door. I need to ease myself. I'll meet you inside.
Listen, I have a plan. Brenda is in trouble.
What happened?
I don't know. She just fainted.
She fainted?
Yes.
Andy!
Brenda fainted.
What? Fainted.
What happened to her? Brenda. What happened, Mama? I don't know. Brenda. Please, go and get the khaki. Let's take her to the hospital. Where is your khaki? Please. Let's take her to the hospital. Calm down. Let's try first aid and then we can see what is wrong. Right? We go. Baby. No, she'll be fine. Just calm down. Baby.
Okay, I just got the first aid now. Where's my car?
No, wait, please. Put the car away.
Hey, wait. Where's my car?
Can you put the gun down?
Where is my car?
I'll tell you what the car is. The car is where?
Yes.
It's lost.
She was ambushed.
It's lost.
And the car was snatched from her at gunpoint.
Gunpoint?
Very bad situation.
Yes.
My own car.
It's your... What? Devil. Stop and say amen. What? That's... I'm out of here. Olive, don't leave. This is the truth and nothing but the truth. You go, please. Please,
So, my car's gone lost.
Find my car!
What do we do? Let us act humble until we find our way out. Mama, I don't think I can wait. I'm just going to go in there, pack my things and leave this house.
Where is he?
He should be outside.
Let me go and talk to him.
You said talk to him? What do you want to tell him?
I know what to tell him.
Mama? Mama?
My in-law. My in-law, I have come to know how much the car is sold. So my husband can sell one of the lands and repay you.
Can you hear yourself speak? Huh? You came to know how much the car is, so your daughter can... What is wrong with you people? Don't you think when you speak? Eh? So your daughter lost my car with no remorse, and you're here telling me rubbish.
Did you just call me rubbish?
Chireno,
Please don't insult me because of one old car.
wait. Andy, did I hear you call my mother rubbish? Andy, you are a very useless man. You are a stupid man. Oh, so because of that old car, you called my mother rubbish. It is your mother and the whole women in your entire lineage that are rubbish and useless for that matter. Look at this stupid man.
Get out of my sight.
Which sight? You think you have sight? You are as good as a blind man.
Get out of my
What
sight
will you do?
now.
You imagine it? What will you do? Rapper, let's go. Poor man, you're calling my mother rubbish. Look what this idiot. Imagine the nonsense. Eh? That overripe boy that I managed to marry. Now I call my own mother rubbish. I don't want to let me help. Because of that cheap car. His mates are there buying GLD. Our Kadaka will die. Oh. Just imagine.
I want to go. Please, I don't want to die. You know he has a gun. Before you will put the gun again, please.
Just calm down. Let me talk to you.
Go back to the village.
Okay. Excuse me, please. Okay.
Why are you pushing her now?
I did not push her. I asked her to leave.
I almost killed myself by myself. Hey, Jim.
Go in.
Which one? man is going. Do you know if I want to go to the backyard? Am I a prisoner in this house again? And stop this nonsense, oh! Stop this nonsense! Would you let me inside the house?
Stop right there. I want you to stay. Now, go in and remain inside. Now, go!
I'm not going inside because you asked me to. I'm not.
Rubbish.
Are you kidding? I mean, babe, are you a child?
Up till this moment, I cannot tell how that happened. It feels like a charm was used on me.
You gave a vehicle to a total stranger who asked you to come back the next day and take the money. That is ridiculous.
You know what? I'm just going to pay for the car when I have the money. For now, can we talk about the divorce?
What is wrong with your senses? What is wrong with you? You have messed up, and then you stand there and talk to me about the divorce. Are you crazy?
Are you helping?
No. My goodness, my dear friend, be remorseful.
Are you helping me or not?
You are going to let the car fracas die down before we discuss that. Please.
So, Mr. Andy, as you were saying, you have only 3 days to stay in this house. And please, make sure you evacuate this place before the 3rd day.
So it's true. It wasn't a joke after all. Andy, what did I do to you? Where did I go wrong? I've been a loving wife. Where? So you brought me, and it shall not be well with your generation. You brought me here for hardship, Abi? Shebi, you shall not be well with your generation. God will punish you.
So they said they'll be here in the next 3 days to lock up this house I labored for many years to build.
You have to take it easy. This is not the end of the road. Oh.
Papa? Andrew? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you? I'm fine, sir. I'll be on my way.
Okay.
Andrew. I can assure you, this is not the end of the road.
Andrew, the only way you will not rise again is when you remain where you have fallen. Okay? So you have to pick your things and rise.
Papa, you see, I was planning to come down to the village with my wife.
That will not be necessary. Have this. Add it to whatever you have and get a small apartment to put your head while you are planning on what to do next.
You don't have to do this.
Come on. Why not? Look, you are my son and I appreciate what you are going through. This is when you need me the most and I have to be there for you. Take it. Don't worry. All will be well. I can guarantee you that. I know my son. I know what you can do, okay?
I'm very grateful. Thank you.
No problem.
That's it, Papa. I'm just, hoping that tomorrow I will come on it.
Yeah, please, can you dish out food for my father and I? We're really hungry.
What did I hear you say? I should do what?
Food for my father and I.
Well, I prepared my own food, not yours.
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
Are you not aware that my father has been in this house since morning?
So? Andy, so? Do I look like your maid? He is your father. Go in and prepare something for him. Get him something to eat and don't disturb me.
I shouldn't disturb you.
See?
Huh?
Sit down.
Brenda.
Calm.
Wait. I need to. Brenda, I shouldn't disturb you.
No. See, a stupid person is always right in whatever she does.
What did I hear you say? Who did you call stupid? It is you and your entire generation that is stupid. In fact, wickedness and stupidity rubs in your family. Look at this man, look at this idiot. You're not
Hey! Brenda! Calm down! Calm down!
Leave him alone! What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Come back.
Papa, please. No. Stay out of this. I need to solve this once and for all. Thank God you're seeing this.
What are you sorting?
No.
I'm asking you, what are you sorting?
Brenda.
What are you sorting?
I said stop! What is it? Stop!
What is it? This is not the way I brought you up. Why are you behaving like a woman?
Ask him!
In short, I'm going to bed.
Look, Papa, you can't go to bed. Let me get you something to eat.
No. Before you know it, it will be morning. And I'll go back to the village. I'm tired.
I insist. I need to get you something to eat. You can't possibly get to bed.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Punish you for bringing me into this fake life. Deceive me to come and suffer. When I'm supposed to be having good meal with chicken.
I'm so sorry this is happening at this time. Andy, you have to take things easy. God has a way of uplifting good people. He will come to your rescue. Just calm down and take it easy.
Thank you. I'll leave.
It's nothing. Where is Brenda?
She said she wanted to see her cousin.
Listen. Please, forgive her.
I've already forgiven her. I have.
You're a good person. It's really... I know this is small, And it's nothing, but I had this signed out for you. Please manage it. It's nothing.
Come on, it's something. This will go a long way.
I'm glad to hear that. Oh, please, honestly, it's nothing, Andy.
I got paid.
Please stop now. I beg you. It's honestly nothing.
Hello, Angel.
Yeah.
You look stunning. Wow.
Thank you.
Oh, forgive my manners. Do have a seat.
I thought you weren't going to ask.
Wow. You look just too much for a woman, and I love seeing you every day like this.
Oh, please, come on. This is not the first time you're seeing me.
Actually, I never realized you are this elegant.
Okay, thank you, but enough of the compliments.
Right? Oh, sorry. What would you like to drink?
Okay, I think I'll do red wine, chilled.
Red wine, chilled. My favorite. Waiter!
Yes. Red wine.
You didn't have to repeat it that way.
Anything for an angel. Actually, two things I like about you. I love the way you smile and how you model your words.
Now I see you're very good with words.
Only when I'm with you, that's all.
It's okay.
Nice place.
I will come here sometimes.
Okay.
Just hang out. So I decided to pick this spot for this. Two of us.
Nice. I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Voila! I'm glad you like it.
Thank
I'm glad you like it.
Oh.
Yes. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be your waiter for today.
Thank you. Smooth talker.
All for you, dear.
Be careful. Now that's enough.
And that's for me. So, what do we toast to? To future.
Future, you said?
Yeah, to future. I'd be willing to ask you this. What was bothering you the other day? Why were you so angry?
I don't want to talk about that right now.
Sorry about that.
It's fine.
So, I was thinking if you're free after now, we can go to other place and hang out.
She be say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be why your lover. If money then I sugar, sugar.
Who was that?
Stupid question.
Pay as you go, lover. I love there for pay as you go, lover.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I am leaving your house.
I have found a place.
Who bloody cares about the place you found? And who is us? There is no us, Andy. I am leaving and I'm leaving for good. I just want to walk away and find my peace of mind. Please.
Brenda, you can't possibly go this night. Can you just stay back? We can sort this out. This is not fair. Please stay back. The house I got is quite comfortable for us.
It is none of your business whether I live here at night or at day. So please, Just let me go. At least I'll be walking away from your lies.
Brenda, please. Just calm down. We can sort this out, please.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. What did I do to you? What? Where did I go wrong? You deceived me into this marriage knowing fully well you had nothing. Oh, Jesus Christ, God, where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? Where did I fail you? I sing for you in church. I pray for you. Don't touch my box. Don't touch it.
Wait, don't. Let's keep it inside the wardrobe.
Angie, if you touch this box one more time, I promise you with everything I hold dear, you would not see tomorrow. Don't touch it. What did I do?
We are going to bounce back. What time will? This is not the end of the world. You're just working yourself up for nothing. It's just downfall. That doesn't mean we cannot rise up again. Please. 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 We will rise up. Before you know it, we will rise up.
She say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be why your lover. If money then na sugar, sugar. If you know then na big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. You go love, I know there for pay as you go love. If money then na sugar, sugar. If you know then na big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go love. Pay as you go love. If money then na sugar, sugar. If you know then na big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go love. Pay as you go love. I know there for pay as you go love.
My love, we are here. Calm down.
We are where? Andy, I'm asking you, we are where? You are a madman. I will not come down from this car until you tell me why you chose to make me suffer.
Please, please, let's go inside and talk, please.
Who are you calling honey? Onya, who your honey? Where is honey? God punish you and that honey you just called. There is nothing sweet about you right now, so don't even try to call me any pet name.
Madam, please calm down now.
Onya with this madman. Who is this fool?
You're wasting my time.
Don't just shut up, you wretched.
This man needs to go to work. Please, just calm down.
I am not coming down from this car.
Madam, I did not insult you now. I only asked you to calm down. I have other persons to pick up now. You are wasting my time.
You are a madman. You are a madman.
Just come,
Come here.
My brother, what you're going to do, so just wind the glasses. When you heat, she doesn't like heat. When she sweats, she will just come down. Just do it.
Madam.
Who is that?
Madam, calm down. Madam, calm down. I said calm down.
Come on, leave me alone.
Calm down.
No, calm down. Idiot.
Calm down. Come.
Idiot. Foolish chief. This wicked guy is me.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Turn around. I'll punish you and your entire family. As for this one to where? Oh, anyway, is that heaven? Let's sit this way. God punish you.
Our humble abode.
God punish you. God punish you 10 times. You are a very wicked man. You are heartless. So you had the mind to bring me to this place. Andy, look around this place. You had the mind to bring me to this place. When you came to my father's house to marry me, was it looking like this? You took me all the way from my father's house, took me to somewhere where I had a better life, and then in just a few months you brought me here. Just shut up! Don't just stand there looking at me, I'm talking to you! What is this?
It's a house.
It's what house? Look at what you reduced me to. How am I supposed to survive?
We just have to manage for some time till we pick up our lives. I mean...
You say manage? Manage what? Manage what I'm asking you? Was that what you told me when you came to marry me? You won't do this to me. You won't do this to me. You won't do this to me.
Can you let me?
No, you just...
My love, please. Take a chill pill. Let's just be patient and manage here for some time. We need to stay here for some time till we bounce back.
You know the most annoying part is when you say we. There is no we, you fool. Fix what you have broken. You can't just bring me into this house and tell me to wait until we bounce back. How? Andy, you are the man here. Behave like one and stop getting me irritated.
You're being too rude to me. And it's not fair.
You are a big fool. A complete fool. And he goes, that is what you are.
You see, I was thinking, the money I gave you, not even thinking, like I want you to, bring the 500,000 I gave you for keeps. I want us to put it in a business to help us, pick up ourselves. That will actually go a long way now.
May the Holy Ghost fire of Jesus Christ burn you from your head to your toe. You are a very stupid man. You gave me 500,000 naira to keep. 500,000 naira to keep where? Do I look like a bank to you? Do I operate a bank? I'm asking you, Andy.
I gave you 500,000.
Shut up!
In our old house. Have you forgotten?
Oh, so you know it was old house. Anything old is in the past. This is new house. Our suffering new house. So there is no 500,000 naira for you. I don't have any more to say to you. Shh.
Brother, are you indirectly saying the money is gone?
What punish you?
No, that is a very rough play. It's a very, very rough play at this point, Brenda.
Mama, Andy is a very wicked man. A very wicked man. My greatest regret is getting married to that thing.
Hi! It's again. Eh? Hi!
You need to see the rat hole this idiot took me to. Somewhere I can't even move my hand or even move my legs or even get proper fresh air. Asim, we need to manage until I bounce back. Imagine the nonsense.
Until he bounces back to work. Eh? Can so that man wants to ruin your life.
Mama, my greatest regret is getting married to him. And I hate him so much, right? I can't even stand him.
Odemma, you will stay in this house. I will not let you go back to him. Mama, I will not allow you go back to him.
I wasn't even thinking of going back.
Because I can never be alive and watch you suffer the same thing I suffered in the hands of your father.
Biati,
What did you suffer in my hands? What did you suffer in my hands? Listen, what you are doing to this girl is not fair. It is bad.
Are you done? Eh? Please go inside and sleep and snore. That is the only thing you know how to do.
Thank you very much. Brenda, listen. From the very first day I set my eyes upon your husband, I know he's a good man.
Oh, yeah.
All you need to do is to understand him, relax with him, and you will enjoy your marriage later.
Mr. Preacher, are you done? No.
Mama.
Are you my daughter? Now listen to me. Don't listen to your father. Don't listen to your father.
Mama, I'm listening to you.
In this age, no woman should manage in her husband's house.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
If a man is not ready to marry, let him go and do what?
Rest.
Let him go and rest.
Let him rest.
Marriage or by force?
Ah.
Eh?
By force, never.
Okole lurelu e wologodo. Ikukubulia. Obulia no godia.
Thank you very much. You have spoken well. Brenda, listen. A careless sheik is always a victim of the hawk. I have warned you.
Hey, I'm a victim of the hawk. Now you're a hawk. He's a hawk. You see what I just told you? He's a hawk. Did you just hear him? He's the hawk. And I am the careless victim.
Mama.
I fall become victim. And I will not allow you to fall any victim.
Mama, I won't be that careless chick. I won't be that careless chick.
Hawk.
What do we call this? This number is switched off. Her number can be switched off now. Why is her number off?
I still find it difficult to believe that I will still be complaining after my daughter got married.
Mama, calm down. Calm down. Nothing has spoiled. We should be dancing. We should be happy that I didn't even get married to him in church. It's not an issue. I've told you before. Forget about it.
Knock, knock, knock. Is anyone home? Knock, knock, knock.
That sounds like your husband's voice.
My in-law. My in-law. Is anyone here?
Mama, it's him. Sit down. Take him. I will handle him.
You're sure you don't want me to come with you?
I'll handle him.
Mama?
Yes? Where is your car?
My car? Well, for now, my car is...
So you now stammer? Okay? You came here in borrowed clothes, hired cars to deceive my daughter.
Ah, Mama, this is not fair now. I just had a little problem. With time, I will bounce back.
Mr. Football, you will bounce back. Why not bounce back now? Eh? Why not bounce back now? I never knew you were like this. I wouldn't have allowed you come close to my daughter, let alone marrying her.
Well, I'm here to take my wife back. She left home. Can I see her?
She's not here. I should be asking you, where is my daughter?
Mama, how can? But someone told me she saw her in the village.
Are you deaf? I said she's not here. Get out! See what supposed to
Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Hey, I swear I no understand, oh. You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now?
Has he gone?
Yes, he has gone. He couldn't stand my presence.
Agumai. That is my mother. I heard everything you said to him. You finished him, Mama. Nice one.
No, he will not come here again.
Of course, he will not step his foot in this compound again. I wonder what he came here to do in the first place.
Joamo!
Why you won't leave me now? Why? Answer my question. Why? Now I need you pass. Why?
Good afternoon, my son. Are you alright?
No, Papa.
What is the problem?
I'm looking for Brenda.
Looking for Brenda? How?
She left house since yesterday, and I've been calling her line. It's been switched off.
Brenda. Don't worry, my son. Brenda is not missing. She's at home.
At home?
Yes.
But I asked Mama. Mama said she's not back.
Don't worry. Let's go. Follow me.
Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Hey, I swear I no understand, oh. You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now? Why?
Do you need me to do anything for you?
No, don't worry. It's okay.
Okay.
Answer my question. Why?
Brenda! 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 Come on here! Brenda!
Brenda! Your father is back. And he must have been back with Andy. Let me deal with them.
This Andy is just a cow. What is wrong with him? Eh? What is he doing back here?
Calm down.
Eh? Is it by force to get married?
Brenda, come out here. Yes, Brenda.
Who wants to know?
Where will you tell Andy that Brenda did not come back to this house? Go inside there. Call Brenda to come and see her husband.
I've told him that Brenda is not here. In Echinte.
Milo, follow me. Let's go. Follow me. Come get this guy. Brenda! 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 Come out here and see your husband.
It's okay. It's obvious she's not here. Let me start going. Don't worry.
What is wrong with you? I've told you that Brenda is not here.
Let me start going, Papa. Thank you.
You and Brenda.
What kind of nonsense contradiction is that? The mother told you she was not at home. Meanwhile, the father said she came home. How?
But this life,
Anyway, that is typical of women. They can say all sort of rubbish when they are angry.
I felt really embarrassed.
In any case, I will go and talk to the father. Okay? Meanwhile, you go back and look for a job that will sustain you in the meantime. Alright?
Okay, Papa.
You called me, Papa.
Yes, sit down. Sit down.
What is it?
Brenda, my daughter. Sometimes, forces beyond a man swerve him to an unwanted direction. What is happening to your husband today can happen to anyone.
So, Papa, what are you saying? Eh? Are you with me or you're with that man? Are you supporting a man who lied to your daughter about his status?
Can you just let me finish? That young man is full of dreams.
Oh, so what you're saying in essence is that I should continue to stay with a man that has nothing and suffer with him? Bao, I won't do it, Papa.
Ha! My daughter, you will not suffer.
Papa, I cannot.
You will not suffer, my daughter, if the two of you join hands together and start rebuilding on time. Listen, the same sun that melts the wax is also capable of hardening the clay.
Brenda, Mama, please come.
Can't you see I'm talking to her?
Brenda, Mama, I said come, let me tell you one important thing. Papa, excuse me.
She went to the village. I don't understand.
Yes. I went to the village, but the mother lied that she was not around.
You mean Bianca still went to the village after everything I told her?
Honestly, I'm heartbroken.
You have to get a grip of yourself. I'll go see her and I'll talk to her again.
Thank you. Please
I have to leave you now.
Alright.
Milo, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please, take a seat.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Please, let me offer you.
No. Leave the cola for another day.
Hey, Milo.
Yes.
I know why you are here.
I know.
I have talked to my daughter, but she bluntly refused to listen to me.
Hey, she refused?
Yes.
Is she at home?
Yes, she's at home.
Let's call her.
Brenda! Brenda!
What is it?
Call Brenda for me.
Brenda is not at home.
I said call Brenda for me.
And you, go and tell your son that he has failed.
What's wrong with you?
Milo, don't worry. Now I know how water got into the pumpkin. I will take my leave. Okay. You are a good man. I know you've played your part. Okay?
It's all right.
Thank you very much.
Go well.
I appreciate all your efforts.
Brenda!
Brenda, what are you doing in the village?
I told you I was tired of that marriage. I couldn't continue to live like that.
Live like that? Look around you. Please, by all means, look around you. Is this place better than the apartment Andy just got in the city?
So I should live from grace to grass because of his carelessness and borrowing money from the bank?
You are ridiculous. Totally ridiculous. Go in there, get your things, and let's leave.
No, I am not leaving this place. The only reason I'm going to leave here is if you promise to prepare my divorce papers.
You really want to divorce?
Yes, I want a divorce.
After everything? Great. Good. I'll help you. So can you please go in now, get your things and let's leave.
Thank you. But we'll have to leave when my mother gets back from the market.
No. Can you please stop being a child? Go in there, get your things and let's leave. I have so much to do at the office. Go.
But I just have to change into something better.
Change. Go. How else can I speak to her?
She be say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see me, I agree. I don't know, say no lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover you be why your lover. If money then I sugar. If you know then I dig you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover.
Yes, but why don't you take me to your house?
Listen, you're going to have to live here until we're done with divorce proceedings. That's how it operates. Let's play by the rules, okay? You'll be fine.
Okay. I'm doing this based on trust.
Well, thank you for trusting me. Shall we?
My bag.
Oh, okay.
Thank you so much, Olive. I really appreciate this.
Oh, it's nothing. You should help out with the bag.
No, it's fine.
I should take my leave now. I'll see you later.
Olive, please don't forget. Start preparing the divorce papers as soon as possible. Please.
Divorce?
Sure, yes, I'm on it. No qualms. You be careful.
Thank you.
Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why you? Answer my question. Why you? Now I need you pass. Why you?
You're not going to allow her to do this to me.
Andy, I know what I am doing. At least she's back home now. The onus is now on you to talk her out of it. Calmly, nicely. You both need to have a conversation until, she's comfortable enough and then she stops talking about the divorce. Work on it, Andy.
Okay, I will do my best. You're a nice person.
It's nothing, really. I should go now. See you later. Hey,
calmly. Tolerance. That's key. I'll see you.
Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Hey, I swear I no understand, oh. You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why?
Brenda. You can't possibly file a divorce. Please. Can you have a change of mind?
Watch me.
Please. Please. This is the time I need you most.
Give me one reason I shouldn't divorce you. You deceived me into marrying you when you knew you had nothing. You borrowed everything you have while you were coming for me, and you stand here to tell me this is the time I need you most. What nonsense.
Brenda, how could you say this to me?
You know what? You're talking nonsense. Your voice irritates me. So just stop talking.
Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Hey, I swear I no understand. So why
If anyone had told me that this would happen, I would doubt it. Listen, you have a good husband. He's caring, he's loving.
Olive, please. I'm done. Why is it so difficult for you to understand? My mates are married to men who take them round the world. Men with private jets and yachts. And you're talking about who? Andy? Oh, please.
You apparently do not know what you're doing to yourself.
Well, let me take consequences for my actions.
Exactly.
Now listen. Lawyer or clerk, keep your advice to yourself. Your mates are out there getting married, and you're here trying to save an already failed marriage.
Mama, all I'm trying to say
is...
Goodbye. Just in case you know...
Bye, I said.
Yes.